We'll guide you through how to ask ChatGPT questions effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to chatopenai.com. Once you're on the website, you'll want to log in or create an account if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll see a chat interface where you can start interacting with ChatGPT. In the chat box at the bottom, type your question or request clearly and concisely. It's best to be specific with your queries to get the most accurate responses. For example, instead of asking, "Tell me about history," you could ask, "Can you summarize the causes of World War II?" Once you've typed your question, hit the enter key or click the send icon. ChatGPT will then process your question and provide a response. You can continue the conversation by asking follow-up questions or for more details. If you need ChatGPT to remember a context or previous part of the conversation, you can refer back to it in your next message. Make sure to phrase your questions in a way that guides ChatGPT toward the information you need. If you're looking for factual information, it's helpful to ask directly. If you need creative ideas, you can ask for suggestions or inspiration. Remember, the clearer and more specific your questions, the better the answers you'll receive. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.